Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Samsung laptops on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Book 2021. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2021 stands out as an affordable and practical choice for those in search of a budget-friendly laptop with the Samsung brand. Boasting swift performance courtesy of the Intel 11th Gen processor, it combines speed with a sleek and slim design, ensuring easy portability. The laptop's versatility extends to its range of ports, offering a mix of legacy and modern I/O options, such as USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI 2.0. However, it's important to note that being a sub-$1,000 laptop involves some compromises, including a display that falls in the mid-range spectrum. Overall, the Galaxy Book 2021 caters to general computing needs at an accessible price point. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 stands out not just for its fiery red chassis, but as the world's first Chromebook with a QLED display. This cutting-edge display technology enhances color vibrancy and brightness while maintaining energy efficiency, making it less of a drain on the battery. As a 2-in-1 device, it offers versatile usability, transforming into various postures such as tent mode and tablet mode. However, it lacks compatibility with the S Pen, limiting its potential for stylus-based interactions. Overall, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 is a visually striking and innovative addition to the Chromebook lineup. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Laptop. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 laptop is a powerful and versatile laptop that is perfect for both work and play. It is powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, so it can handle even the most demanding tasks. It also has a 512 GB SSD, which provides plenty of storage space for your files and applications. The Galaxy Book 3 has a 15.6-inch Full HD display that is bright and clear. It is also thin and light, so it is easy to take with you on the go. The battery life is also impressive, so you can stay productive for hours on end. Other features of the Galaxy Book 3 include a fingerprint reader for secure login, an HD webcam for video calls, and Dolby Atmos sound for an immersive audio experience. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 emerges as Samsung's top-tier 2-in-1 laptop, impressing with its remarkably thin and light design. Its vibrant display, perfect for streaming services, enhances the visual experience. Notably, the laptop delivers exceptional battery life, boasting nearly 12 hours on a single charge. As a convertible device, it seamlessly transitions into various modes, including tent and tablet modes. In tablet mode, users can leverage the included S Pen for creative tasks. However, a drawback is the absence of a silo for convenient S Pen storage. Overall, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 excels in versatility, display quality, and portability. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 15 redefines the laptop experience with its pioneering QLED display, introducing a world of vibrant colors and brilliant brightness. This innovation doesn't compromise battery life, as evidenced by the remarkable 15 hours of endurance in our testing. Beyond its visual prowess, the laptop boasts a sleek royal blue design and incorporates practical features like the built-in S Pen for enhanced creativity and a Qi-compatible touchpad that wirelessly charges devices. While these advancements contribute to its appeal, users may need to adapt to the slightly shortened Shift key. Nevertheless, the Galaxy Book Flex 15 offers a versatile and visually stunning computing experience, making it an enticing choice for those seeking a cutting-edge device that excels in both aesthetics and functionality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.